So you're thinking about selling your home this summer? That's exciting, but it's also a little nerve-wracking, right? You've probably heard conflicting things. Some homes are selling fast and others are sitting on the market like forgotten leftovers in the fridge. The reality is the market is shifting. Inventory is up, buyers have more options, and they're taking their sweet time making a decision. That means if you want to sell quickly and avoid slicing the price later, you've got to be a little more intentional about how you prep your home for sale. First, let's talk about repairs. Buyers right now are extra cautious, especially with higher interest rates stretching their budgets. They're not looking to buy a fixer unless they're getting a deep discount, and you probably don't want to be the one offering that. So before you even list your home, do a walkthrough. Look for anything a buyer might nitpick. Loose doorknobs, scuffed up walls, leaky faucets, flickering lights, mysterious squeaks, anything that screams, this place needs work. It might feel like you're fixing small, insignificant things, but those details add up fast in a buyer's mind. They either walk in and think, this place is move-in ready, or yikes, this is gonna be a project. Guess which one gets the offer? Now let's talk about how your home feels. Because yes, that matters too. Staging doesn't mean you need to hire an interior designer or buy a whole new living room set. It's about making your space feel open, calm, and neutral. Start by decluttering. Clear off the countertops, put away anything personal like, family photos, quirky artwork, or your impressive collection of snow globes. You want buyers to walk in and picture their own lives there, not yours. Add a few clean, simple touches. Fresh towels in the bathroom, a clean kitchen table, maybe even a bowl of fruit. It sounds silly, but it helps buyers connect emotionally with the space. And that emotional connection, that's what leads to offers. Finally, make a plan for showings. This is the part that a lot of sellers overlook. The experience buyers have when they tour your home can make or break their interest. If you've got kids, pets, or a busy schedule, keeping the house ready and distraction-free can feel impossible, but it's worth it. Coordinate with your agent to set up a showing schedule that works for you. If you can step out during a showing and take your little furry friends with you, buyers will feel more at ease. They'll spend more time looking around, picturing themselves living there, and hopefully falling in love with your home. Selling your home this summer is totally doable, but it takes more than just throwing up a for sale sign and crossing your fingers. Fix what needs fixing. Stage your space and help it shine, and make sure buyers feel welcome and comfortable when they walk through. If you're not sure where to start or which updates are really worth your time, I'm here to help. Let's make a game plan and get your home sold quickly and for the best price possible. Call, text, or shoot me an email, whatever works for you. I'm here to help you make your move smooth, smart, and successful. Let's get your home sold the right way.